Good morning, Achieve Charter School. It is so good to be here. Today is Thursday, December 17th, and I have to wish Audrey a happy birthday. Happy birthday, Audrey. I hope you have a fun day at school today. We've been talking about joyfulness all week, and I've got a special little treat for you today that you're probably not expecting for joyfulness. Speaking of special treats, that treat yesterday from the firefighters was amazing. That was such a nice thing that happened. Before we start talking about joyfulness, let's stand up for the Pledge of Allegiance. Please stand at attention. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Nice job. You guys can have a seat. So one of my favorite movies around Christmas time is the movie Elf, and watching Buddy the Elf. And one of my favorite things that Buddy the Elf talks about is the best way to spread Christmas cheer is singing loud for all to hear. And I got a little treat for you. Before I show you this video, I'm going to sing a song for you, and I have a couple students helping me out. I have a little disclaimer because you're going to see something weird. You're going to see me and two students in my office with no mask on. And if you've been in my office, you've seen that we're all wearing masks and all that. One of them is Audrey. Remember, the people that you live with, you can take your mask off around them. And the other one's Cameron. And actually, you might not all know this, but Cameron's my niece, and she goes in our family group too. And so that's why you're going to see us without masks on together. Merry Christmas. I hope this makes you have a joyful day. You can enjoy this song from myself and Audrey and Cameron.
Well, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then how the reindeer loved him as they shouted out with glee, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history.
Beautiful girls. Good job. That was awesome. I hope you enjoyed that song. Have a great day, Achieve Charter School.